Welcome to springlib.
Hello. So in this problem, we're given two consecutive harmonic frequencies for a vibrating string. One is 240 hertz. I've called that F sub n. And then the next harmonic higher than that one, which I call F sub n plus 1, is 320 hertz. And what we're asked to find is the fundamental frequency of the vibrating string, which would be notated as F sub 1. So the really cool thing about these harmonic systems is that if you know what your fundamental frequency is and you want to know what the frequency of any harmonic is, say F sub n, that you just take n and multiply it by your fundamental frequency and you know what any harmonic frequency is. For example, let's say that your fundamental frequency is 100 hertz. That means that your second harmonic would be 2 times that, which is 200 hertz. And your third harmonic, F sub 3, would be 3 times your fundamental, which would be 300 hertz. And if you see that pattern, another way to think about that is that as you go to adjacent harmonics, you're increasing by an amount equal to your fundamental. Here's 100 difference between the first and second, and then there's 100 hertz difference again between the second and the third, and that pattern would actually just keep continuing. So to answer this question, all we need to do, since we know that 240 and 320 are adjacent successive harmonics, is just subtract. 320 minus 240, 320 minus 240, and that's equal to 80 hertz. And that's actually our answer. Fundamental frequency is going to be 80 hertz. And that's going to be the base, and then each harmonic will be 80 hertz higher than the previous one, which makes this the third harmonic. And this would be the fourth harmonic. There you go. I hope that was clear. Thank you.